Good morning, class 9. Today we will start the utility. Utility refers to satisfying power of a commodity. It means the things or the commodity which satisfy the human wants. When a commodity is capable of human wants satisfying, we say that the commodity has utility. So if the human will be satisfied of that commodity when the person is consuming that commodity, then we say that there is a utility of the commodity. Utility is different from usefulness. It is the satisfaction, actual or expected, derived from the consumption of a commodity. Utility differs from person to person, time to time, and place to place. Okay? A commodity may not be useful even it possesses utility for the consumer. So every commodity cannot be useful. Suppose if the liquor is there, liquor is harmful for the health, but the person who is just a drunk person or the alcoholic person is there, when he is taking the liquor, that is a utility for that person. Similarly, utility should not be confused with pleasure. Foconine possesses utility for the malaria patient, yet it does not provide any pleasure to the patient as it is bitter in taste. According to classical economists, utility can be measured in cardinal number like 2, 3, 4. It is possible for numerically estimate utility which a person derives from consumption of goods services, but there is no standard unit for measuring utility. So economists derived imaginary measure. We assume it known as util or utils are imaginary and psychological units which are used to measure utility obtained from consumption of a certain quantity of a commodity. Now there is a characteristics of a utility. It is very important, so remember it. What are the characteristics of the utility? The first one is utility is subjective. Utility is subjective. It means utility of a commodity differ from person to person. If the 5% are there, every person is not having the same type of utility. 5% is there, it means the 5%, every person is having the other utility of the commodity. Tea is a great utility for a man who is accustomed to it, but it has not utility for a man who is not used to it. Utility is relative concept. A commodity may possess different utility at different times or different places. Now you just see if the raincoat is there, when it is used, when the rainy season is there, then there is a use of the raincoat. If when we are going to the hill station, then we need a warm clothes. So it's depend upon the places to places, or the you can relate it. Different places, different needs are there. Utility has got no real existence. Whether any person would get more or less utility from the consumption of any commodity is completely a psychological factor. Hence, utility got no real. For example, wine is created to any drunkard. It is clear drunkard person is having the utility of the wine. Okay, once the person will give up the habit of drinking the wine, there will be no longer create any utility. Then utility abstract. Abstract means you cannot see. There is a utility of the commodities or other things are there, but you cannot see or you cannot touch it. Utility is the capacity of a commodity to satisfy human wants. Utility abstract in the sense that it cannot be seen or touched. For example, knowledge of teacher, cannot be seen or touched. Utility is not pleasure. It is not necessary that a commodity possesses pleasure when we consume it. For quinine, it's bitter taste, but it has the utility to treat the patient from the malaria. Hence, there is no relationship between the utility and the pleasure. Now, types of utility. There are 4 types of utilities are there. 4 types of form utility, place utility, time utility, and service utility. So we will just do the first one, form. Form utilities which are created by changing the shape of goods. Suppose the log is there, log will change or convert it into chair, bed, table. So their form is changing, there will be a utility is different. Value is added when the shape of a commodity is changed as desired. Okay, for example, carpenter creates utility when he makes a table out of wood for the consumer. Similarly, form utilities are created when a tailor stitches clothes for the consumers. Place utility. Place is that utility which is created for transferring the goods from one place to another. You just see that the sand is there. So what happened if there is in Rajasthan, there is so much sand is there. There is no utility in Rajasthan, but when the construction area, the sand will just move from one place to another or transfer, then that is will create the utility of the sand. Time utility. Time utility is that utility which is created by storing up goods in a particular period of time when there is a value is low. These goods are stored up to for the future use when the value will increase. For example, the Food Corporation creates time utility by creating buffer stock of food grains in harvesting season and releasing same at the reasonable price in the lean season.